everyone, welcome back. So in this video we're going to talk about Titachef Cutting Board, whether it's legit or just another scam. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I did this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. Links in the description. Now, the Titachef Cutting Board is marketed as a high-end, long-lasting board that's gentle on knives and far superior to plastic or wooden boards. However, there's no official website and many reports suggest it's a drop shipping scam. The customers are saying buyers say they received a thin, lightweight stainless steel board, not titanium. The board bends easily, scratches, stains, and offers no real advantage over cheap alternatives. Many were shocked by the tiny size, far smaller than the photos suggest. Some lost over $100 and never received a refund. Trustpilot ratings are low, averaging 1.8 stars with multiple complaints about poor quality and deceptive advertising. Now, for the final verdict, the Titachef Cutting Board does not live up to its claims. It's overpriced, poorly made, and likely not titanium at all. Save your money and invest in reputable brands like John Booz or Epicurean instead. Thanks for watching. Have you tried the Titachef Cutting Board or been burned by similar products? Share your story below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. Stay informed and shop smart.